Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to pair your Jlab J-Buds Icon Air onto your iPhone. And I'm pretty sure this applies to any Jlab product, like headphones, earphones, and stuff like that. So you can use this to help you too when it comes to pairing it to your phone. So the first thing you want to do is take your case with the earbuds inside and just open it up. When you open it up, make sure if it does have these LED indicators that it's flashing white and blue. That means it's actually looking for a device to pair to. So once it's open, leave it open and put it to the side, or you can take the earbuds out, whichever works for you. And then you can just grab your phone, and what you want to do next is just go to settings. And when you're at settings, go to Bluetooth. And once you have Bluetooth, it shows up under other devices and it will name the device you have in whatever order it's on here. Just confirm it's the device that you purchased. So for me, it's the Jlab J-Buds Icon Air, and you just click on it. So once I click on it, you see it's already paired to my phone up there. And sometimes what will happen is it'll ask you to confirm a pairing number. But if you just press OK, it'll go through. There's nothing you have to actually do with the earbuds itself. And that's honestly basically it. And to confirm that it's actually connected, it'll just flash a white color over here, like really slowly every couple of seconds, it'll flash white just to confirm that it's connected to something. So if you have any issues with these earbuds and it's flashing this white color, that means that it's connected to something else and probably unable to pair to whatever you want it to pair to. So just make sure it's flashing the blue and white color, and that way you'll know that it's ready to pair to a new device. And I did see some comments, people saying that JLab does have an app for these earbuds, but actually JLab only has only has apps for specific earbuds. So as you can see, one of them is their, let me go down, their JLab Epic Air ANC, and you can go here and configure a whole bunch of stuff. This does not work with the Icon Air, so you can't use this app for that. And then they do have the JLab Store and burn-in tool, but you can't actually use it to modify your headphones in any way. There are some you can work with it as a burn-in tool, but that's about it. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below. And if you have it connected already, congratulations, and you're ready to listen to music. And so this only applies to the Icon Air earbuds. But if you have these on and you lose signal or anything, just hold this golden part for like 10 seconds and it'll start connecting to your device. So if you take it off and put it in your ear and you don't hear anything, just put it on here, hold it, and it'll connect to your phone. And if you want to switch the sound settings, you just tap this 3 times and it'll switch between, I think, the 4 settings it has. It has balanced, bass boost, and then it has G-Lab certified, something like that. And you can switch between them to see what sounds the best to you. And make sure it has to be 1, 2, 3 before it switches, or it won't do anything. And you can see my music started playing. All right, that's it. Hope that helps.